Kenneth nga pala. Pero pwede nyo akong tawaging Ken. 18 taong kulang ako at kasalukuyang nag-aaral ng BS Aerospace Engineering. Ang section ko naman ay 1102.
Traffic's a bitch and parking's a pain.
Currently, sa COA Building, Neptune Street, within GCH ako nakatira. Pero my permanent address is Barangay 3, Alaminos, Laguna.
And I'm so sick of drinking.
Something unique about myself. So actually, ako ay consistent honor simula nung daycare. Also, I like playing online games, competitive games, like chess. Also, mahilig din ako magbasa ng mga manga, manhwa, and minsan nagbabasa rin ako ng mga e-books. I am also a cat person. May 7 pusa akong inaalagaan sa Alaminos. Secret na lang yung mga names kasi pang-amin-amin na lang yun. Cute kasi sila.
And things they ain't perfect, but I wouldn't change a thing. You know the city lights sure look.
Also, I am a DOST SCI scholar. Awa ng Diyos ay nakapasa ako kahit hindi ako nag-review nung nag-take ako ng exam.
Or put on a record and we'll just pass them by. Have a little party in here, just you and I. The streets
Why did I take aerospace engineering as my program? Actually, ang reason is gawa nung bata pa ako. Every time na may dumadaang airplane or di ka may namamataan akong airplane, lagi akong name-mesmerize, nagagandahan. Like, wow, ang taas lagi ng lipad. And I wondered, paano kaya sila nagawa ng mga ganon? Then, dun nag-umpisa. Curiosity, then it turns into my passion or my dream. Gusto ko ring makabuo ng isang airplane. 5 years from now, where do I see myself in the future? Ideally, gusto ko maging successful engineer and also an entrepreneur. Kasi from what I've learned, ang mga yumayaman talaga ay yung mga entrepreneur na nagte-take ng risk mag-start ng business. And since ayaw ko namang ding ibaliwala ang gift ni God sa akin, kasi medyo biniyayaan ako when it comes to science and math, gusto ko talagang maging engineer. So, paano? That's the end of my introduction, and I hope na you learned something about me. Hanggang sa ulitin. Bye!